we go then. So today's National Trust property is the Assembly Rooms in Bath. The Assembly Rooms are not open to groups today. There's a doorbell.
Door closed, but she reckons you want the door open.
Yes, please. There's a doorbell there, but
Might need two doorbells. Okay. How wide are you?
that's all right. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Hello. I wondered whether National Trust we can come and have a look round.
So, the building is owned by the National Trust.
Yes.
But it's actually leased and run by the council.
Right.
So, I'm afraid your trust card, like the rooms are free in any case,
Right.
but we're not a National Trust site, if that
No.
makes sense.
Okay.
We've got a wedding happening later on today in the first two rooms, but one of the rooms at the back on the left there is available to view.
Is that just have a little look round?
Yeah, if you want to
Yeah.
have a little
That's
look
all right.
around.
Then. Thank you.
Lovely, so that's free to do.
Yep. All right. Thank you.
Thanks, enjoy your visit.
Cheers. Stairs. To the ballroom. Wow. That's big. Yeah, that is really, really big. So the National Trust property today. The National Trust own this property, but it's run by the council. So this is the ballroom, as you can see, it's quite large. The other room, they've got a wedding going on. It's very nice. A little round there. So we'll go through and see the other room. There's not really a lot to see. We go in the great octagon. This is there is a disabled toilet just there. Fashion museum. There's a wedding on in there, isn't
Yeah.
it, today? It's quite nice, isn't it?
It's beautiful, doesn't it?
It's going to be a nice wedding. It's going to be a lovely wedding.
Yeah. Oh, go and have a look closer, Boo.
Oh, wow.
Lovely, isn't it?
Oh, dear.
When they light all the candles and things at the
Yeah.
porch. Is that a camera?
Yeah.
That's a good
Wrong
thing,
way.
isn't it? It's tiny as well, isn't it?
Yeah, that's really good. Ah. shop.
So you'll just need to show that again at the Museum of Trust downstairs. We've got a cover up there that you can kind of go to.
Would you mind just opening the door for us?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Well, that was a very short visit. Not hardly worth the effort trying to get here, but there you go. So that's the National Trust property, owned by the National Trust. It's run by the City Council. Well, Bath. It's assembly rooms, right in the middle. There's hardly anywhere to here to park, and it's taken me a little while to get here because I got a little bit lost because I was on my scooter. And yeah, so architecturally it's very, very pleasant. And there we go, that's all I can say really. So if you have enjoyed this, then give me a thumbs up and a share and a like, and come back again for another National Trust property. Bye for now.